Hey there, welcome back to my Intro to Performance Guitar course. Lesson 5, let's get right into it. Now, on Lesson 5, we're going to review our past 4 lessons. The idea here is not to use any papers. If you feel the need of using a paper, go back to Lessons 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, on the past lessons, we have covered 2 main concepts, our notes all over the fretboard and how to play major and minor triads on different sets of strings. We're going to focus more in the major and minor triads. Now, this time we're going to play these major and minor triads in 3 different levels. First level is going to be like the past lessons. We're going to play the triads horizontal in different sets of strings. Level 2 is going to be to play them vertically, starting on strings 1, 2, and 3, and all the way up to 4, 5, and 6. And for level 3, we're going to start by playing them first in root position, then in first inversion, and at the end in second inversion. Now, the chords we've been using for this example have been a 2, 5, 1, 6 in the key of C. So the chords are D minor, G major, C major, and A minor. So let's start with D minor. So level 1, let's play them horizontal in different sets of strings. To start with strings 1, 2, and 3, we got D minor here, to D minor here, to D minor here. Again, I don't want to use any papers. We're going to go up and down. Strings 2, 3, and 4, D minor here, to D minor, to D minor, back to this one, and then back on here. Strings 3, 4, and 5, D minor, root position, D minor, to D minor. Go back. You should feel really comfortable with this. And at the end, 4, 5, and 6, D minor, second inversion to this D minor root position, to this D minor first inversion, coming down. Now level 2, I'm going to play them vertical, starting with D minor strings 1, 2, and 3. To this one, 2, 3, 4, to this one, 3, 4, 5, to this one, 4, 5, 6. Now don't worry yet about if it's root position, first inversion, and second inversion. Just try to get those shapes on your fingers. Next D minor is going to be these, strings 1, 2, and 3, to strings 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, and 4, 5, 6. And the last shape is going to be this, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, and 4, 5, 6. Now on level 3, we need to worry about root position, first inversion, and second inversion. I'm going to start with root position D minor, so strings 4, 5, and 6. I got D minor here, starting on the 10th fret with my pinky. 3, 4, 5, D minor here. Again, the shape doesn't change because there is no B string yet. Then 2, 3, 4 here, root position. Now they change shape because of the B string. And 1, 2, 3, root position. Now let's keep going. D minor first inversion. I'm going to start with this shape, strings 4, 5, and 6. 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. And to finish, second inversion starting here, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, again the shape doesn't change because there's no B string yet. Then 2, 3, 4, we change the shape, and at the end we got 1, 2, 3. Next chord is going to be G major. Now we go for a major chord. Let's start horizontal, level 1, strings 1, 2, and 3. G major here, to G major here, to G major here. Let's go down. Strings 2, 3, 4, horizontal still. Root position here, to this triad first inversion, second inversion. Let's go down. Strings 3, 4, and 5. We start with this one. Then I'm going to this root position triad. And I'm going to go to this one. And let's finish on strings 4, 5, and 6, horizontal. Now level 2, let's play them vertical. First shape is going to be this one. First inversion, strings 1, 2, and 3, G major. 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. Next shape, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. Last shape, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, and 4, 5, 6. Remember not to use the papers here. If you feel the need of using the paper, go back to lessons 1, 2, 3, 4. There you can use the papers with all the examples. Now let's go for level 3. Let's start with root position triads, strings 4, 5, and 6. Now for G major, I could start here with the open string, but I'm going to go all the way to the 15th fret so I have the complete shape here. Okay, G major root position to 3, 4, 5, G major root position. Again, the shape doesn't change because we don't have the B string yet. And I go to 2, 3, 4, the shape changes, root position. And I finish in 1, 2, 3 here, root position. Let's go for first inversion. G major, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. And let's finish with second inversion, strings 4, 5, and 6, 3, 4, 5, again the shape doesn't change, 2, 3, 4, and we finish in 1, 2, 3. Now the third chord is C major. The shapes are not going to change compared to G major, we're just going to be on a different part of the neck. So now with C major, level 1, strings 1, 2, and 3, play them horizontal. Let's go down. Strings 2, 3, and 4. Now strings 3, 4, and 5, I could start here with this C major with the open G string, but I'm gonna find this shape all the way here with a higher octave, right? So I'm gonna start in this first inversion C major better. To this shape, to this shape. Now I got the shape coming down. If you want, you can go here with the open G. Strings 4, 5, and 6. Now level 2, let's play vertical, strings 1, 2, and 3. First shape is this one. 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. Next shape, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, and 4, 5, 6. And the last shape, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, and 4, 5, 6. And to finish with C major level 3, let's play them starting in root position, strings 4, 5, and 6. Here you got the root position, all the way up to the 15th fret for root position, same shape. Then I'm gonna go here, strings 2, 3, 4, root position, and I'm gonna finish here, strings 1, 2, and 3. Let's go for first inversion with the third on the bass. We got this one, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5 here, 2, 3, 4 here, and 1, 2, 3 here. And to finish second inversion, strings 4, 5, and 6, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Now the last chord is going to be the sixth chord, A minor. Let's start horizontal, level 1, strings 1, 2, and 3. Got A minor here, to A minor, to A minor. Let's go down. Strings 2, 3, and 4, A minor, to A minor, to A minor. And again, this A minor shape all the way up here in the 13th fret is the same as this classic A minor open chord. But we're just using strings 2, 3, and 4. You can use it either here or here. Strings 3, 4, 5. And strings 4, 5, and 6. Now level 2, let's play them vertical, strings 1, 2, and 3. First shape, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, and 4, 5, 6. Next shape, strings 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, and 4, 5, 6. And last shape, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, and 4, 5, 6. Now let's start with root position, strings 4, 5, and 6, level 3. A minor root position, to A minor root position, to A minor root position, and to A minor root position, strings 1, 2, 3. Now first inversion, A minor. 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3. And to finish, second inversion, A minor, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3. Now again, this is a review of the past 4 lessons. Again, the idea here is not to use any papers. You want to feel comfortable with these chords all over the fretboard. Now, once you feel really comfortable with this chord progression, you can change of key. We're in the key of C, then you can go to the key of G, you can go to the key of D, and so on. The idea here is that you learn all the chords all over the fretboard. Have fun and enjoy the lesson.